What's up, YouTube? Quams here again. Yeah, so as you can see, I have one monitor here with me. My buddy Sam Vasado Media was kind enough to hook me up with this monitor. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to set it up. I bought some two dual monitor arms, so I'll be setting it up in this video. So it's my first time. I'm not an expert, so I hope it goes well. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. So you're going to see me bring it up. Let me bring my monitor on. Yeah. So this is it. This is it. As you can see, this is for 17 to 27 inches, and then these monitors are 22 inches each. So there's my dual monitor arms, and then yeah, actually they are the same brand. We got it at the same time, but yeah, he's moving out, so he decided to hook me up with his. Yeah, so and you can see this. They don't have VESA screws. They do not have VESA screws over here. So upon research, I could have either bought a bracket or yeah. But so upon research, I found out they have these. They are like stickers. Yeah, so it's my first time seeing it, and I saw videos of how good it works. Because after the brackets, they have these hooks for which I think I wouldn't like the way I'm going to have hooks on these sides of the monitor. So I decided to buy this. So I'll stick these at the back, and then I'll hang my PC at the back. So this is not going to be a tutorial. It's just going to be a fast-paced video as I take this back, take this away, clear the decks, and then start my mounting process.